Welcome to Microsoft Power BI. I'm Faraz. In this course I'll show you how you can easily create visualizations that will help your team and your organization understand data that you're already collecting. Power BI is a set of tools including the Power BI Service, Power BI Desktop, Power BI Mobile, and other components. We will begin with the web-based Power BI Service. We'll get data, create charts, and other visualizations, and arrange those visualizations into shareable reports. We'll also create dashboards, and use Power BI's Q and a feature to ask questions about our data. We'll take a look at the Power BI for mobile apps and see how we can use them to view and share reports and dashboards that we've created. Finally, I'll show you how to create your own data models using Power BI Desktop. Power BI helps you model, visualize, and share insights. Learning Power BI will give you an edge over other people who are trying to analyze data using tools that are less powerful or less collaborative. Please subscribe to my channel Teaching Style as we explore using Power BI to make a positive impact for you, your team, and your organization. Here is what you'll need to work along with me in this course. First, some hardware recommendations. Please pay attention to these because using a tool like Power BI without the resources that are recommended can be absolutely underwhelming. For example, if we look at available RAM, there's a minimum. You can run Power BI on just a gig, however, 1.5 or better is recommended. And in fact, it was my work with Power BI that caused my last significant upgrade. I now have 8 GB of RAM available on this machine and I'm looking at some more. So at 1 GB minimum, you butt up against that really quickly. CPU, 1 GHz or faster. And your display, 1440 by 900 or, if you're in 16 by 9 orientation, 1600 by 900. This is actually a little amusing because, if you don't have a high enough resolution, Power BI will still continue to display tools but you won't be able to see them on your screen. They'll be off the edges. So you'll want to make sure that your display is set with a screen resolution of 1440 by 900 or better. And make sure that your text display is set for 100% or less. So if you've changed your text to have large fonts on a smaller screen resolution, you'll want to make sure that you change that back so you're seeing your text at 100%, not at 125 or 150, for example. Now software. Power BI is made to run on Windows 7 or Windows Server 2008 Release 2 or later. You'll need .NET 4.5 installed and you'll need to have a new version of Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer 10, 11. Finally, you'll want Power BI Desktop, which is a free download from Microsoft, and I'll show you how to install that later in the course. How about your data skills? I assume that you know something about how to work with data because Power BI is all about visualizing data and sharing those visualizations with others. Let's imagine that we're working in Excel. If, in Excel, you know how to enter, edit and format, you know how to use the table commands, like format as table, how to find and replace, how sort and filter data and how to insert and format charts, you will do well here in Power BI, because those are the kind of skills you'll want to bring to this course. If you need help with any of this, I would point you toward Excel 2016, Managing and Analyzing Data, or, if you're using an earlier version of Excel, Excel 2013, Managing and Analyzing Data. Either of these courses will be very useful as you begin working with Power BI. Hey, keep watching more videos and keep learning Power BI. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.